Guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna be playing fidget toy game, fidget word, and yeah, let me start. Okay, so here you can you can trade and you can get money. And let me show you my fidgets. Okay, let me show you my fidgets. This is the first fidget, a simple dimple. I can't really say it. And wait, let me show you. I have two simple dimples. A blue with red and a blue with pink. And yeah. And how do you get money in this game? So you have to go to like a circle like this, but you have to be quick because it's gonna be like gone for like 2 minutes, I think. Yeah. And what you have to do is you have to get a fidget and you have to pop it, and if you pop you will get money, like see. Okay, I'm gonna pop it. Okay, look, see, and I'm gonna pop it and come back for you guys. I will get to 500 bucks and yeah, and come back for you guys. Just something, guys, the circle will change the place, so you have to find it, and I'm trying to find it. But first I'm gonna go to the shop. You can trade with people, but I'm gonna go to the shop. Okay, fidget shop, and I'm gonna see what I can buy with 255. Okay, so okay. I could buy this puppet bag, okay, with $500. Let me see what's inside. Okay. Ooh, wow. I already know what is inside because I got the pink one from it. I bought one, so I could get these. Not all of them, only one of these, and only one, and yeah. And I only got the pink one, and I have this, so I need the blue green one so I can finish this collection. So I have to get $500. And how to find the circle pretty quick. Look, it's right over there. How did I know? Because look, there is numbers over there. If you see, there is numbers, and these numbers, when you see them, know that there is the circle is right over there. Okay, and or you can follow like people if they know the place. Okay, let's get inside the circle. Okay, so I'm gonna get money and come back for you guys. Oh my god, guys, I just realized something. Look, when I pop it, when you pop it, it will go lesser. So when it finish, yeah, like the circle will be gone, I think, because it's going down, the number, like it's going down. So yeah, you can maybe get used to this, I don't know. But if people are in so much, it will finish more quickly, more faster. So yeah. Oh my god, guys, look, 560. So I'm done. So I'm gonna put this off. Okay, I'm gonna go. to the fidget shop, and I'm gonna buy it, and I'm gonna open it, and let's see what I'm gonna get. Okay. Okay. No, that's okay. I would like to buy one. Yes. Okay. Yee! Oh my god, I'm so excited. Oh my god, now I have only 16. Okay. Okay, now I'm gonna be opening it. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna open in my backpack. Oh, it's right over here. Okay, let's see what I'm gonna get. Oh, I have a temple. Wow. Okay, let me see. Wow, so cute. Wow, I really like it. So cute. Okay, let me see if somebody wants to trade for it. Anyone want to trade? Let me join this. See if somebody wants to join. Somebody want to join? I can add this and this and add this. I have 3 simple numbers. Okay, I don't think that somebody want to trade. Nobody. Okay, I'm gonna exit the trade. Okay, let me see. I'm gonna type trading avocado tumble. No, I'm gonna ask this girl if she want to trade. Okay, I'm gonna ask her if she want to trade or not. Her face is kind of scared. Okay, let me see. Maybe she's AFK or something. Okay, let's see who is in the game. There is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 people. So maybe they're in the. Oh, there's somebody right over there, like a girl. Okay, let's see. Okay, I'm gonna tell her. Do you want to trade? Okay. Maybe she. Okay. Oh, this girl or this. Well, I don't know who is. Okay, I'm gonna just say. Okay, I'm gonna say, do you want to trade? What? Okay, do you want to trade? Maybe this. Why are all of them like standing, not doing nothing? Chop coin. Oh, if I need to like get like any coins or something. No, thank you. No, they are trading. Who want to join my trade? Somebody please. Yes. I'm gonna add this. Add. That's a avocado puppet. I added that, so if you say. I can't. Oh, she only have that. Okay. Okay, let me trade this girl. Okay, I'm gonna give you this. This. I gave her 3 dimples. She gave me 4. No, add. The avocado one is so much. Add a little bit. Accept. I will accept that. I don't have more. I don't have. I only have 3 things, so yeah. I think that I will end the video right here, so yeah. Bye guys.